try to figure out why this headlight is not getting any power. That's, I think, should be the next step. So, not hearing any beeping. Oh, come on. Wonder if I blew it out. Hey, how's it going, folks? Alright, today we are going to see if we can't figure out why this Honda won't start. The CB1000 C started fine the other day and now it won't start at all. So I'm going to start digging into this and see what's going on with it. I'm getting power, I got lights, so you can see it's just when I press the start. Oh, look at that. Oh, now it decides to work, huh? Oh, well, maybe it is going to work. Okay. Alright, well, I guess we're not going to do that. It's working now. Maybe the battery was dead. I did charge the battery, but it said it was full, so I didn't worry about it too much. Yeah, alright. I guess that's where we're at. Never mind. Well, I take it back. Now, got nothing. But what I can hear is the starter relay clicking. This is the starter relay right here. So, yeah, I don't even hear it. Now it's not clicking at all. So, I'm gonna take that apart and clean those connections and put it back together and see if that helps. Well, let's try to jump it real quick and see what that does. So to jump it, you basically I want to touch this one, and where does this one go? To the starter, yeah. So these two, I just want to touch these two together basically, and it should start the bike. Yeah, there you go. So the problem is definitely could be the relay that's not kicking in. I think it's the relay. The relay's not clicking. So when it gets power, so I'm gonna have to take that off and probably just clean it all up, and it should be okay. But if not, we'll need to get a new relay for it. So all right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, let's get this starter relay off here. Looks like we gotta pull this connector off first. Looks like there's a fuse. Yeah, there's a fuse in there too. Okay. Now. Oops. I'm on now. I should have disconnected it from the battery, I know. But I didn't. Alright, there it is. And you know, it could be is that switch up there, that kill switch not working right. So we'll test this out real quick first, and then we'll hit up that kill switch if we need to. I'm just going to use a steel brush to kind of clean off these connections. Alright, let's just put it back together real quick and see if that made a difference. Okay, well, looks like we fixed it just by cleaning those off. Alright, there you go. Sometimes that's all you got to do. Sometimes all you got to do is just take your connectors and clean them off, and they should be fine. And this seems to be working fine now, so we'll go ahead and call that done. Put it back in its little holder. Here we go. All right, what's next? Oh, I do need to go ahead and rejet the carbs on this because we've got pod filters and an aftermarket exhaust. It's a let's see, 4 into 2. So basically it's 2 cylinders. It's these 2 cylinders on this side going into one pipe on this side, and those 2 cylinders on the other side going into one pipe on the other side. There is no collector in the middle, so these are just straight through pipes basically. They do have baffles in them. They look like they're removable. It's still an aftermarket exhaust. So we've got an aftermarket exhaust on it. You can see, I'll step back here a little bit so you can see it better. So as you can see, the aftermarket exhaust right here is where it splits from 2 to 1. Right, so it takes the 2 cylinders from this side of the bike and splits them off right there and goes out, and then the other side is the exact same for the other 2 cylinders. So now that we're running the pod filters and an aftermarket exhaust, we're definitely going to need to rejet because we're probably going to be running really lean. I mean, we can adjust the carbs, but I'm pretty sure we're going to have to rejet anyway. So what else do I need to do to it? Fix the headlight. I need to fix the headlight. I still haven't figured out why this headlight won't work. Just plug it in, it doesn't work at all. So, but if I plug the old one in, it works fine. Alright, well, we're going to try to figure out why this headlight is not getting any power. That's, I think, should be the next step. So, what I'm going to do is get my tester out, see what it's got going on, because it doesn't seem to be wanting to work at all. So, I'm going to turn that on continuity, and then run it through, let's see. This is the negative. This will be positive. Yeah, the light's bad. Crap. Yeah, I broke one of the pins off, so I had to redo it, and I think I messed it up. So, yeah, let's go order a new one, I guess. That'll be the end of that. Alright folks, so here's the deal. I went ahead and ordered a new headlight for this motorcycle. I bought an LED one again, but a different brand. And while I was shopping, I found a gas tank. Yes, $350 for a gas tank with no dents in it. Amazing. So I snatched that up, and we have a new gas tank coming for it. So the CB1000 Custom will get a nice fresh overhaul and look great now when it's done. So we still got a few things to do. As you see, I've got the mirrors on. I've still got to do the headlights, still got to get the gas tank put on and paint everything, paint the gas tank and the side covers. But I still need to just try to adjust it, you know, the air fuel mixture first and see if that helps. And if not, then we'll go ahead and just rejet them. So, alright, we're going to call it a day. I'm getting tired. I've been working on 3 bikes today, the CM450A, the CB1000, and the scooter, and I worked a little bit on the Yamaha Virago. So yeah, pretty much done working on this one for tonight. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off there. And again, this is DJ with Rabbit Squirrel Garage. So if y'all enjoyed, please go ahead and like the video and share it and subscribe. Subscribing to the channel really helps. I appreciate it, folks. All right, have a good one. I'm out of here.